Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. If you drive a Jeep Grand Cherokee L six-seater, you know that the inside of that cabin is luxury. But keeping the floors is a full-time job, especially if you have kids. But JOULARISE has an amazing set of floor mats and cargo mats to help you with that. It's the perfect way to keep your Jeep looking pristine while also still living your busy life. These mats are laser measured and you can tell because they fit seamlessly. They go up where your Jeep corners go up, they go down when they go down, they go seamlessly along all the edges. So it really maximizes your coverage so that no dirt can get around these things. The set is for the six passenger and it even covers the space between the middle seats. So that carpet also stays clean. Because these are a high quality TPE material, they're very easy to clean. So once they get muddy from all your kids' shoes, you can just wipe them down with a cloth. Or when they get real dirty, they are removable. And so you can just spray them down with a hose and they look brand new again. I really loved how these even cover the cargo in the back. They cover the backs of the seats. They cover the part that folds down and they have cutouts so you're not losing any functionality of any piece. So if you're looking for a way to keep your Jeep looking phenomenal while living a busy, dirty life, these mats by JOULARISE are a great option. But that's just my point of view.